shut up! Hey, shut up!
A quick read through the comments section in social media posts about this man who accompanied his daughter into the female-only coach in a local MRT reflects the controversial nature of gender segregation legislations and policy. While many countries in Asia widely practice gender segregation policies in public spaces, in many European countries, such policies are criticized, even downright illegal or unconstitutional in many instances. How can protecting women's rights be illegal, I hear you ask? Well, in human rights jurisprudence, the protection of rights of a particular group entails the taking away of rights of another group. In this case, the allocation of women-only carriages means men have reduced access to carriages. The concept of equality is deeply ingrained in Western jurisprudential discourses. And the discussion of equality is central to the concept of the rule of law. We call this in our Rukun Negara Kedaulatan Undang-Undang, meaning that for a legal system to function well, it should not be by fear of enforcement, but rather through gaining respect of the citizens. The foremost authority on the concept of the rule of law is Albert van Dicey. And on equality, he said in his book, The Introduction to the Study of the Law of Constitution in 1885, no man is above the law. Regardless of what an individual's rank or condition is, he is subjected to the ordinary law of the land and be bounded to the jurisdiction of the ordinary tribunals. More recently, Lord Bingham, a judge in the United Kingdom, elucidated on this point with a more modern language, stating that equality means the law of the land should be applied equally to all, save to the extent that objective differences justify differentiation. What these jurists are trying to say is that for the people to truly respect the legal system, the laws and government's policy should treat everyone equally, unless there are objective differences that justify different treatments. I do not know whether making women feel safer in public transport qualifies as objective differences justifying differentiating treatment. And every country with its differing prevalence of crimes in public transport would necessitate differing evaluation based on the condition of each country. To compound the issue is the differing attitude of different cultures towards segregation and differential treatments. With the Islamic world having segregation based on gender a non-issue on the one hand, while the West treats unequal treatment as the greatest of sin on the other. And we are caught right in the middle of this clash of civilization, with our prevailing culture being potentially at odds with the culture of the legal system we imported. I don't presume to know what is right or wrong in this circumstance, but I wouldn't be so quick to condemn the man or the lady for asserting her right. One statement, however, by Confucius pierces through the entire debate. 道之以政，齐之以刑，民免而无耻；道之以德，齐之以礼，有耻且格. This translates as to govern with laws and to achieve uniformity using punishment. People will follow the law but will not develop a sense of shame. To govern with virtue and to achieve uniformity through rules of propriety, people will develop a sense of shame and also good behavior. So what is the proper behavior in this circumstance? I don't know. I guess it's up to you.